Here, so let's get going. Good luck to everyone. Newcomers, welcome to Crazy Time. Nice to see you all here. Good luck to everyone. Couple more momentos. Let's do a Robbie spin again. We need some action. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sauce is good. Oh, 10 out of 25 with stop sign. Look at that. Come on, 10. Come through, 10. Either give us a 10 or a Crazy Time. Oh my. Oh my. 10. Woo-hoo! The best you can get, dude. 10 out of 25x. Guys, do you know what happened? It's a 250x. 250. Oh!
And, yeah, let's keep them coming. And bets are closed. Are you a city girl? Definitely, Mr. P. Yeah, do you go to nightclubs often? I don't know. As I said, I used to go, but not anymore. I just don't find them. I just find them kind of boring. I don't know. It's always the same thing in nightclubs. 4 weeks in a Crazy Time. I much rather prefer, like, just house parties with friends and stuff. Oh? Okay. Okay, Crazy Time, ladies and gentlemen, but with also 4x with top song. Woohoo! We did it. We did it. And now, let's get some doubles. Woo! Very nice. Let's 4x it all up. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, now you have the time to make a choice. Which flapper, which team are you gonna be on? Will you be on the yellow team on the right, the green team on the left, or the blue team in the middle? All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Woohoo! Come on. We got a 400x for the green team, 140.
Wait, welcome all newcomers. My name is Eliza. You may call me Ellie or Lizzie. She's here right now. Wish you good luck. Let's see how it goes. Stay cool, stay awesome, stay amazing. 4 times in a row we had number 1, but that's not it. Woo! I like big wins and I cannot lie. Crazy Time with a 4x and a top slot. Crazy Time we have down there. Can we go all around the wheel to reach that Crazy Time? I want to go crazy with you. I want to have that additional multiplier. Come on, baby. I know we can do this. I do believe in you. And yes, the Crazy Time and a 4 times additional multiplier, guys. It's not Alice from Wonderland. I'm Eliza from the Crazy Time, the queen of the bonuses. Woo! Guess who's back, guys? Guess who's back? The legend is here. Alright, I do see some doubles there. 100 is the highest, but no, it's not enough. 4 times additional multiplier over there. All the best wishes, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you have to choose which flapper will be yours. Previously, we had 100x and a yellow one. Now your decision time. Auto pick is available if you cannot decide. And I want to see that double. The highest is a 400x. Yeehaw! Are you ready? All right. We got it! Green with a 400x. Get it with me in a Crazy Time in a 400x. Wow. We have to beat my highest win, right? Who else can beat my highest win? Coin flip with a 20x. Make me as is a queen. Give me a coin flip with a 20x, or give me the crazy time. You have a choice. Give me a coin flip or a crazy time. Just stop right there. Don't even move. Ladies and gentlemen, another crazy time we have. Are you happy? Eliza from the crazy time. Ow! Are you coming? Yoo-hoo! Guess who's back again here on the biggest wheel in the world. I told ya I want to take you back. Indeed, I love you guys. I love you. We are back in a crazy time. I hope you did place the bets. Decision time is yours. Which flapper are you gonna choose? Green, blue, or the yellow? Make your choices. Last seconds or out of pick is available. Shaking till we make it. Let's press the button. Good luck, everybody. I want to see that double again. Or it might be the highest 100x multiplier. I wish you good luck. And guess what? We have 10 double in a blue and a 15x in a yellow. All right, let's double the fun in a blue flapper, ladies and gentlemen. Let's double the fun. That means now the highest multiplier is 200. Can we get another double there? That would be lovely. Or might be the 200x still cheering up for the highest. Come on, baby. We can do this. Double, 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 double. Let's double the fun one more time. We have a 400x multiplier, the highest multiplier here. 400x. Let's go. Woo! Let's rock and roll. Are you ready? I want to see 400x or another double. Come on, baby. We can do this. Another double. Woo! I love you guys. Let's double the fun. Here we go. That means the highest will be 800x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Let's double the fun in a blue flapper. Here we go. Are you ready? I love you guys. Imagine if we could hit another double here. Come on, baby. Or 800x. We can do this. 800x! I told ya! I want to beat the highest win of today!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't here.